Hey Fitfalls fam, welcome back to the channel you guys. If you're new here, I'm Christina and today I'm giving you guys a workout checklist for beginners. If you're brand new to working out and have no idea where to start, keep watching because I'm going to help you. I'm going to give you the ultimate checklist for beginners that'll help you feel confident, prepared, and excited to move your body. Whether you're working out from home, whether you're working out at the gym, whether you have a disability, or working out with limited mobility, this is for you. Most beginners either do too much too fast or they don't know what actually matters and how to start. This checklist keeps it super simple, super realistic, and doable no matter your starting point. So let's get straight into this video. First up, know your why. Know why you're working out. Know the reason that you're working out. Why? What goals do you have? Do you want to feel stronger? Do you want to improve your mobility? Do you want to improve your energy? Do you want to lose some fat? Do you want to gain some muscle? Do you want to help your mental health? You don't need a perfect goal. You just need a goal, and a realistic goal and realistic goals that matter to you. What matters to you? What is your why? Why do you want to start working out? What is your reason? Because when you have a reason, it will help you so much more know how to start, when to start, how to do it. Because if you're just going and trying different things and not having a clear picture of what your goal is, you're not going to get anywhere with your fitness. But if you have a clear path and a clear vision of what you want your goal and what you want your body to look like, how you want to feel, then you're gonna have those realistic goals and knowing your why of why you want to work out, and then all the other noise and all the other reasons that maybe someone else has will be canceled out in your mind. You'll just have a clear picture of your goal and it'll help you keep going. When you have that goal, it'll help you keep going and not give up. Because I feel like, and I know, when you don't have a clear picture of your goal, you don't have a clear goal set, then you're just going to keep just chasing rabbits and going down rabbit holes. And then you're just going to stop. You're going to stop. You're not going to keep going because you don't have a clear picture in mind. To set some realistic goals, know your why, know why you're working out, have that clear picture so that you will keep going and keep coming back and want to continue with your fitness journey. And keep those goals positive, not punishing your body, but keep it positive, keep it light, keep it fun, and you will keep coming back for more. Number 2 is pick your schedule. How many days is realistic to you? That can differ from somebody else. Somebody else could work out 6 days. You only have 3 days a week to work out. Well, that's fine. Pick what works for you. Is that 2 days a week? What is realistic to you? What is realistic to you is not going to be realistic to someone else. So pick your schedule, work it around your work schedule, work it around your school schedule, and pick the schedule that works realistically for you. And whether that may not even be a full workout one day, maybe that's going for a run instead of a full workout. Make your fitness journey work for you, not somebody else, but for you. Because when you make it work for you, you will keep coming back. You won't give up. So the second thing on your checklist is to make sure that you are picking a schedule for you. So pick a schedule and make it work around you. You don't need 7 days a week. You're building consistency, not burnout. If you're working out 7 days a week, you will burn out. We are not building burnout. We are building consistency. So you do not need 7 days a week. You could do 2 or 3 days a week. Pick what works for you, but avoid the burnout and don't work out 7 days a week. Because I promise you will burn out if you're doing that. An example could be Monday could be full body, Wednesday could be a walk or a stretch, and then Friday full body again. There are so many different ways that you can do it with your goals, and not everybody's split, not everybody's schedule is going to be the same because not everybody's goals are going to be the same. Some people may have a bodybuilding goal, some people may want to run a marathon, some people may just want to get toned, and everybody's schedule, everybody's split is going to look different for your specific goal. The third thing on your checklist, what to wear and what to bring. Don't overthink it. When you are a beginner just starting out, all you're going to need comfortable clothes to move in. And I'm gonna plug J-Fit right here. Go cop some J-Fit. It is the best workout clothes ever. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. It is so comfortable. So like the quality is amazing and it will last forever. So get yourself some J-Fit. I will link it in the description of this video. Another thing is supportive shoes. I wear New Balance shoes, but there's Hoka's, there's different types of shoes. Whatever shoe works for you, choose the shoe that works for you, that is supportive for your foot. So make sure you are wearing some supportive shoes. And the next thing to bring is a water bottle. You can bring your Stanley, you can bring your hydro jug, you can bring whatever type of water bottle that you have. Bring your water bottle to the gym or to your home workout. Always have a water bottle when you are working out. You are going to need it. Promise. An optional thing that you can have, especially if you're working out at home, or you can pack this in your gym bag. It's a light resistance band, and if you're at home, having dumbbells at home. And no, you don't need the most fancy leggings like Lululemon or some of the more expensive brands. You don't need those, or you don't need a matching set to be gym ready. If that is an excuse of why you're not working out, don't let that be an excuse of why you're not working out. You're already ready if you have a t-shirt, a sports bra, and some spandex or leggings at your house. But you can buy whatever type of workout apparel that you want, and J-Fit is a great price with high quality. It's just like Lululemon, but half the price. It is so good. So I'll link it. This is not sponsored, but I will link it for you guys. Number 4, warm up first. Always start with a 5-minute warm up to just warm up your muscles so you're not getting injured during your workout. And you're protecting your joints, you're protecting your muscles. Marching in place, arm circles, shoulder circles, high knees, leg swings, anything to just get your heart rate moving and get your body loose and ready to go. And this step is a non-negotiable. You cannot skip your workout warm up. You cannot skip your warm up. Do you hear me? Do not skip it. Number 5 is to focus on full body. As a beginner, full body workouts 2 or 3 times a week will give you the best results without overwhelming you. When you start thinking about splits and what body parts to work when, it can get overwhelming. And if you're working out 3 days a week, just do 3 full body workouts, or do 2 full body workouts and like a jog or a walk on the 3rd day. Think about doing squats in your full body workouts, push-ups, sit-ups, rows, banded pull-up, and core work like dead bugs, planks, that sort of stuff, just to get used to working out, just to get used to your body moving, just to get used to it. And then you can worry about splits in a few months. But right now, just do 3 full body workouts, and maybe you could add a 4th day if you want to of abs, but just get your body moving and learning how to move. And you don't need 20 exercises in 3 full body workouts. 4 to 5 is enough, and you can do like 3 sets of each, and then you're done. You don't have to have a bunch of moves in a workout. Number 6 is rest and recovery. Rest days are not lazy days. I need you to hear that. Rest days are not lazy days. Your body needs recovery. It cannot keep going all the time. I say it all the time. It cannot keep going all the time. It has to have rest to build strength and to build muscle. So on those days, you don't have to just be lazy and sit around. Have active rest days. Walk, go for a jog, foam roll, stretch, cold plunge, sauna, and hydrate. Make sure you are hydrating so that your muscles can rebuild and rejuvenate and get bigger and get stronger. Without hydration, it won't. Number 7, and the last one, is to track your wins. I love tracking wins because then you can see the progress of what you've made. You can see the progress that you've made. You can see how far you've come from where you started to where you are in a month. to where you are in 2 weeks, and maybe you don't see too many wins, but there's always small wins. Maybe that's getting up 5 minutes early for a workout. Maybe that's crushing a full body workout that you've never done before. Maybe that's just showing up. Did you show up today? And I want you to keep a journal or in your notes or even on a sticky note or a piece of paper what your wins were for every single day for at least the first month. Do that and come back and tell me what some of your wins are. And some of the questions that you can ask yourself: did you show up today? Did you hold a plank longer? Did you do more reps than you did the day before? Did you feel proud for moving your body? Ask yourself those questions when you're trying to figure out your wins, because each win is progress. You have progress. Don't think that you don't have progress. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments what in this checklist helped you the most and what you are going to be implementing into your fitness journey that maybe you haven't implemented yet. And if you want a full body beginner workout to follow along with, I will film one for you guys, and I also have some workouts and I will link them in this video right here on some workouts that you can do. And if you want a really beginner friendly one, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to film one for you guys. And don't forget to like this video, comment any other videos that you would like to see, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.